Hello beautiful person watching this video, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello and a very warm welcome to you. I hope by the end of this video you will subscribe to my channel so you can join the Healthy with Benna family. On this channel I share healthy recipes and tips for eating and staying healthy. So on today's cooking episode I am going to be sharing with you all how I make this mouth-watering salmon steak in coconut curry sauce. As you can see, this sauce tastes absolutely delicious and it is packed with a good amount of flavors. A little bit of it goes a long way, and I am going to be serving it tonight with my cauliflower coconut fried rice. And guys, please stick around so I can show you how I make this yummy sauce. So for our salmon steak in coconut curry sauce, we will need the following. I have here 4 salmon steaks. So I went ahead and actually cut this up by myself. So I went ahead and sprinkled some olive oil just because we don't want it to stick when we are cooking. And I also sprinkled some salt and black pepper on there as well. Now the rest of the ingredients. I have here some curry powder. I have here some fresh minced garlic. I have some coconut milk. I have here some unsalted butter. I have here some leftover marinade from my grilled tilapia. If you haven't checked that video out, I'm going to be using some of that marinade. I have here some fresh chopped parsley. This will be for garnishing. And I have my dry ingredients. Now I'm going to link in the description box. I'm going to link everything for you guys. So I have here Mrs. Dash. I have some smoked paprika, I have some thyme, paprika, cayenne pepper, roasted garlic, onion powder, all-purpose seasoning, and white pepper. To season our steak, I'm going to go ahead and mix up all the dry ingredients. I'm going to mix them all properly. So our steak already has salt and black pepper to it, so I'll just add the rest of it, the dry ingredients. I'll go on it like this. Now we're not going to use all of the dry ingredients, that's okay. We are going to reserve some for our sauce. So I rub the dry ingredients on all sides of the salmon, and we have some leftover which I'll set aside. And now I am going to go in with this marinade, the green spice blend. I'm also going to rub it on the salmon. I'm not going to use all as well, just some of it, and then I'll reserve the rest for later. Just nicely like that. We want our salmon to taste really nicely. Again, I didn't use all of the marinade, so I'm going to set this one aside and we will use it for our sauce. So our salmon has been properly marinated and we are now going to proceed to start cooking. So to start cooking our salmon, I have my cast iron skillet here on low heat. You want to make sure that you use a pan that's non-stick. Your skillet is non-stick so your salmon doesn't stick. I have gone ahead and added a little bit of butter. I just want it to melt and then I will proceed to put in our salmon. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the salmon, skin facing down. And this should cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Now the salmon is a very delicate fish, so we want to make sure that it doesn't break, especially when we are flipping it around. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and flip our salmon over. at that. You want to be careful when flipping it over so it doesn't break. Just be careful nicely and gently. Just lean this over there. I am going to let it cook for another 3 to 4 minutes on the other side, and then I'll turn off the heat. So I've gone ahead and removed the salmon. It's all done. I prefer mine well done, so I had to cook it on all ends so that it can get ready really quickly. Now I'm gonna go in with the rest of the butter. With the garlic as well. Next, I'll go in with the curry. And next, I'll go in with the coconut cream. Just make sure that the cream melts nicely. I am going to increase the heat right now to a little bit. Towards medium. I've gone ahead and added the wet ingredient from the marinade from the fish, and I'm about to go in with the dry one, the leftover. You want to put everything in there. I'm going to stir this in for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then I'll proceed to add in our salmon. I'm going to put in the salmon. I'm also going to go in at this point with my parsley. Yeah. And I'll just let this be in here for another 1 to 2 minutes, and our sauce is all good to go. So guys, our salmon steak in coconut curry sauce is all ready to be served. Just look at that. Looks so beautiful. It tastes so beautiful. And I also forgot to mention at this point, make sure that you adjust your salt and your pepper to taste. I am going to be serving this with my coconut cauliflower fried rice right here. I will also be sharing this recipe, so please make sure you be in the lookout for this recipe. It looks so good. Any curry sauce pairs so well with cauliflower rice, so you want to try this recipe and let me know. And please, if you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, please do not forget to subscribe so you can join the Healthy with Benna family. And when you do, please make sure you turn on the notification bell so every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to watch. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.